How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and this is TorqueTube18. So for today's video we have a new modification for the 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. As you could see, it is looking pretty. So right now I'm going to show you what modification we have. It is actually vinyl stickers that is going to go in, well, on the engine, on the covers. I'm going to show you in a second. So here is the box. Alright guys, so I just cracked open the box. Now we're going to see what's inside. So here are the vinyl stickers that I was talking to you guys about. We got them in lime green because the car is lime green, obviously. So it's going to pop up during the night. It's going to pop more when we go to car shows and stuff. So this basically, I bought them to make the engine bay more fun to look at, more like pops out more. So first off, I'm gonna just start it up for you guys, give you guys a little cold start, and we're gonna pop the hood and start working on the car. Alright guys, so here is a cold start up on the 2015 Challenger Scat Pack with mid-muffler delete. So let's go start it up. So that was the cold start on the Scat Pack. So let's go ahead and install this vinyl sticker. Alright guys, so first off, popping off the hood. And recently just cleaned it. So now, to make my life easier, we're gonna pop off the covers and place them on the table, and it's gonna be easier to work on. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna use rubbing alcohol to clean up the surface because there's a really good amount of dust all over it. Alright guys, so it is the next day here, and the covers are finished. We finished installing everything. It looks perfect. So right now we're gonna install it. So I'm gonna put you guys down and we're gonna put the covers on. And there you guys have it. It looks really good. All I have to do is just put a bit of Armor All so it could shine. But I'm gonna leave it cure a bit more. The decals, I'm gonna leave them cure a bit. But this is pretty much what the engine bay looks like. It looks really nice. I really like it. So that is pretty much it for how to install these decals. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.